This is one of my favorite videos. Kimball Hardwoods was posting on Instagram that he's got some redwood coming available. I texted him and said, hey man, give me 600 bucks a product. I will just send you the money. Pack me your best stuff. And we're gonna unbox it today and give a set away as well. So of course it's always packed up nicely. Mr. Kimball is in Rhode Island. And we're gonna unbox this stuff. I will be having him on a Sunday conversation here shortly. I've just got way too much to do in terms of other guitars. But we'll get him on and talk about what we're doing. He's got a great story. Alright, it's always packed way too well. But let's see what we got. And actually this isn't the full set because he was sending 2 boxes. And this is box 1. But we'll go ahead and do the video anyway. Ah, he sent me a present. Always appreciate that. Damn, this is a nice piece of wood. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Alright, so that was the present. Thank you. Ah, redwood. Redwood has become in vogue again. I don't know why. It's a very odd wood to work with sometimes. It's got an awesome smell, and it's like a hard softwood, if that makes any sense. It'll dent, but it's got a really hard grain structure. Look at this figure. I don't know what set I'll give away. You guys should comment on what set I should give away. So we'll mark this as A. Oh, look at that. It is so unbelievably beautiful. So this side looks like it's been planed, and this side looks like it's been sanded. Man, that is nice. So that's side A. He's got a bunch of this stuff for sale, and I wanted to get sort of first dibs because I know how this stuff sells. Look at that figure. We'll call this set B. So when we talk about grain run out, you can see right over here it runs out. And what I would do on this piece of wood is I would leave this sort of open, and then probably do like a black burst on the side there. Set B. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Look at that figure. It's like totally 3D. That is set C. Again, you guys let me know what set to give away. And one of you lucky boys will get a nice set. You can see the grain run out. Look how tight that grain line runs. And then as it gets to the other side, it opens up. That's the book match. That's D. This is the least pretty set. This is the one I want to give away, but I won't. All right. And then this is set E, which I think E is the winner so far. Look at that. Beautiful. Little planing, I can sand that out if you want. Look at those grain lines. That is beautiful piece of wood. As that other set comes in tomorrow, will film me open that one as well. Alright, so here's box 2. Gotta love it when the post office doesn't deliver things on time, shipped at the same time. That's alright, it still showed up today. Let's see what box 2 has. I haven't done a redwood stain, so I'll probably do that with this set. I've still got all the stuff from Kimball from before, so I still need to do a bunch of stain projects that you guys have asked for. Alright, of course we're going right over a project, but we're mid-fretting, so... Alright, this is set F. Again, beautiful tight grain. Runs out as you get to the outside. That's F. Oh, this is another one. Spectacular. Look at that. Look at that flame. G. That's a better set. Remember, comment on which set you want and we'll get one. Oh, this is the best set. I don't want to give this one away, guys, because this one is too big. Like, I haven't seen the figure across. I can do another double neck out of this one. And I need to do one. So I'm pulling this one out because it's mine. And I can do that. Alright. So that one's mine, and there's another set in here that's just as good, I can see. Oh, that one's perfect. This one's got a crack right here, but you can work around that. Oh, look at this. Look at that big figure. Woo! Look at that. This will be perfect. So this is H. And then here I think is the other great set. These are nice wide. These are 9-10 inches wide. You can do whatever you want with these. Oh, wow. Look at that. This is probably the other best set. But since I took one already, I'll leave this in. Wow, that is outstanding, beautiful. What did I just do? H. So this is I. Alright, you know the rules to the giveaway. Put a comment, but this time put a comment of what you want. And maybe something funny. I think I is one of the better sets. I know in the beginning there was a good set too, but I'm not going through them again. So watch the full video, comment on which set is the best. One of you guys will be a lucky winner. I found my set. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.